welcome to Spot Ada channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to block people on Snapchat on your Android. Before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? Don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the tutorial. First, we can click the Snapchat application here. After that, you can click the symbol, search here to search the ID, or you can click here, you can click the someone that, and click three dots here and click block, or if you want to block, yes, block, and then the lima is not exist again. This is a tutorial how to block someone in your Snapchat on your Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.